Hello and welcome to one more informative video from InfoButter. In this video, we'll talk about one of the WordPress errors that my site is getting. I'll just open a site in front of you to show what error I'm receiving. This is the error. There has been a critical error on your website, but it does not talk about what exactly is causing the issue or what this error is all about. The critical error can mean anything. So to do that, first of all, we have to make some changes in the config file to know what exactly is causing the issue. At times it is related to some WordPress plugin, or there are some files which are blocking the site to open. If you're using cPanel, then there is File Manager. You can go into File Manager and check the www folder or the root folder, or maybe the public HTML folder. In that you will find something like this, wp-config.php. This is the file. You have to edit this file. In this file you will have to find something like debug mode, which is written as wp debug. So as of now this is false. We can make it true. So and save the file. So once you save the file and refresh the website, it will start showing the path what exactly is causing the issue. Like in this case, when I go to the error details of a plugin, which is this WP Job Manager. So first of all I have to find this WP Job Manager and do something about it. So I'll go again to the root folder and to the file manager, this thing, and from the root folder you just click on this WP content, and from content you can click on this plugin, and in that you have all the list available, and find the plugin that was mentioned here, WP Job Manager. Okay, WP Job Manager. The simple thing that you can do is you can rename the file. You can add anything that you want. So I have edited the folder name, and let me try to refresh. Okay, the site is now opening. You can see that here it is. Because the site is now working after editing the folder name, we are sure that the issue was related to a specific plugin. Again, we cannot fix the plugin issues instantly. We have to look into the code, or maybe there is an update available. We can simply update the plugin and get things resolved. I know it is difficult to edit a plugin code because the code is written by some other company, not by you. And WordPress uses different plugins from different developers, but still at least we know what is causing the issue, and probably by a simple update we are able to fix that, or maybe we can contact the company what exactly is the issue and then get a fix from them. So once we know that, we have many ways to fix the error. At least the site is now working. You can put the hold on this functionality which is related to this plugin, and later on when it is fixed you can reinstall the plugin or maybe rename the folder after updating it. So these are the things you can do, but this is the process. This is the step-by-step process by which you can simply know what is causing the error. Thank you very much guys for watching the video, and do click on the subscribe button, because once you click on the subscribe button, I would be motivated to create more interesting videos about some technological issues and some Photoshop related issues, and there are many other things that I can create videos on, because since I'm a technical person, and if you wish to use my technical knowledge, you can definitely join me.